shit. Oh my god.
Dude.
You ready, pal?
I wasn't that shit.
What do you lift your fist? Whoa, we're back. Oh.
Damn. Damn. You guys fucked it up.
Damn. It got too much tricky on me.
So this is mine.
Ready, pal?
Get out of my way, little fucker.
What the fuck are you doing?
I am ready.
Woo!
I did a kickflip. Nobody saw it, but I did.
I don't want points. I want to
die. Whoa, what is that?
Hey, our friend! Our friend is back!
He's not a friend.
Dude, he's our friend, I'm telling you.
I never had him. Right, now. This. Whoa! Do you even slow-mo, bro? No, you don't.
You even care, what?
Whoa!
Oh, fire! Ice!
Yeah, why is there fire?
You know what I call this?
Clank's in trouble.
Whoa!
An Alaskan pipeline.
You know what I call this?
Oh, wow.
Ratchet.
Oh, what the?
I'm glad one of us survived.
Fire!
You gotta go fast!
Gotta go fast, gotta go fast,
He doesn't say that.
Faster,
What the hell?
faster, fast,
What the fuck are you doing? What are you singing?
What?
What are you singing?
What are you singing?
That ain't no fucking Sonic.
Sonic!
That ain't no Sonic.
The Sonic.
Wow! Yeah!
Oh, why did it stop
Suck
so
'em!
soon?
Suck 'em all!
That mech appears to be destroying the ice
Look, a
shelf.
giant robot.
Oh, you're gonna die.
Ground pound.
Damn.
I think he's got the wrong game. I think he's looking for UFC 14.
Whoa, no! Kill him fast!
I drown in.
I can't choose the. There we go.
No. Oh. Okay.
Use the no.
Josh.
Yeah.
How do you? What? Oh, it's your robot.
I need guns.
You need skill.
Oh.
Oh, did I cut too deep?
Damn it! I didn't get fucking ammo again.
Right.
Dude, it's right there.
No,
I don't
it's
see how
gonna
you're missing
cutscene.
it.
Oh, these robots look like fucking cats because of their back. Oh, that's easy.
I have an idea.
I said, maybe you don't have to jump off, and I fell off. I did it again. Don't do that.
Don't do what?
Fucking cloud.
Why not?
I don't think it's working.
What's hitting it?
I have no ammo. I can do this.
I'm out of ammo.
What?
I'm really
What's
fucking
that triangle for?
Oh, that thing over there.
Why does it? Why is it
Don't
telling us?
fucking. Oh!
Why is it telling us right now? What the fuck? We're not even near it.
Because I
We're
keep
not-
jumping off.
We're not even near it or anything.
Ice beam.
I think it's almost dead.
I think it's just going faster. Ah, it's getting brain freeze, huh? Get it? Brain freeze,
No.
get it, huh?
No.
Huh?
No,
Get
please
it?
stop.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Fuck.
I don't even think I'm hurting.
Yeah, I don't think you know either.
I'm hurting.
This is like the longest range weapon I got.
Oh no!
What the?
I guess it works.
What the fuck? Boom! Matrix, bitch.
Powder. It was nice. Thanks,
And I'm dead again. Them cracks, boy.
Mine, all mine. They're mine. It's mine. You see it? Mine.
I am ready.
Mine.
Woo!
That rainbow.
Hurry up.
Ugh.
Engaging target. Hey, I caught one.
About time. What?
Hey, you get off my shit.
Kill stuff.
I'm not greedy.
Not bad, boy.
No one said you were. You guilty bastard.
I'm not greedy.
These look like vacuum cleaners.
Get out of the way!
You love vacuum cleaners.
I do!
Melee legend.
Damn!
Jukebox hero.
I'm out of ammo.
Oh, shit.
What the hell?
I'm gonna back up a little. Oh no!
I need a fucking.
How about we just get in the thing? Let's get these motherfuckers.
You're gonna run? You're gonna run in a casual game? How dare you?
Man,
How fucking
get
dare
out of my
you?
house.
I would say that this was your house, but it doesn't seem that you live here, sir.
Oh!
Pick 'em up.
Get him. I'll cover your estate.
I'm out of ammo.
By the way, I'm out of ammo. I'm out of everything. But I do have an idea.
Coming.
Alright, win.
Hey, me and told you. Lightning for the win. What is that?
Before, right, Captain?
Doppelganger legend.
Get ready, Ratchet.
Double
I'm ready.
banger legend. Yeah! I'm gonna do a street kickflip.
Aw, yeah.
Yeah, it's SSX alright.
I'm just going in a straight line. I'm untouched.
I caught one.
Fear me not, little woodland creature. Ooh, shiny.
Boom.
Whatever happened to those mechs?
Yeah, we were building them.
Stop.
Maybe we should have already found all the pieces. And we just didn't. I wonder who got first this time, because I feel pretty confident
Oh,
in my
really?
awesome... No! Fuck you.
Annihilator. Haha.
Kick it, faggot.
He is Super Saiyan Lesbian. Damn.
Damn.
Scorch Minion!
I know I don't usually say this, but this doesn't look good.
Man.
It only has one guitar.
Don't worry, I have an ice beam for him. Oh, shit.
Just shoot it. How hard can this be?
Whoa. Ah, I'm burning. I'm burning alive. I'm a burning robot. Fire should not affect me, but it does a lot.
It works.
I give him brain freeze.
Well, you are made out of tinfoil.
Oh, look at that. This was easy.
What'd you say, Michael?
What'd you say to my face? Why don't you say it to my face and on the line and see what happens?
How about you say it when I'm looking at you?
You don't have a face. You're a fucking mech.
I'm a Gundam.
You're made out of tinfoil.
I'm a Gundam.
Damn, Timmy.
I put you in my head whenever there's aliens around.
I am a Gundam.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Wow.
Yeah.
Revenge! Runs around.
Revengeance.
He's down.
Free money. Politician's favorite word.
Got some flying shit.
I got it.
Ow. They're shooting flying shit at us.
The fucking bolt driver.
I feel like no matter how much we upgrade our weapons, they don't seem to kill things faster.
That does. Well, for me, anyways.
I have my shit upgraded to the max. My elite.
You're fucking with that. Shut up.
Nice one, pal. I'm out.
Ah!
Mark, get to cover.
I down. I down hard.
I'm done also. I have no ammunition. Wait.
I'm a fucking cowboy over here. Yippee-ki-yay and shit, Bruce Willis.
Fuck that. You feel lucky or what?
You're the cripple in that.
You're the
one on
punk.
left.
Whoa!
I don't feel so good.
Yeah,
Maybe I
see?
do feel lucky. Hmm? Maybe I saw your dumbass shooting 6 shots.
But I have 7.
Oh!
See that shit? See what happens?
Fucking dirty Harry over here and shit.
Alright,
You know what? You remind me of a fur burger, alright?
Whatever that means.
A lot of people know what that means, alright? Josh, do you have a fur burger?
No. What is a fur burger?
Oh, come on! Nobody's from the 90s here or what?
I would help you, right?
Both of you have a fur burger. Nobody wants to touch.
Thank you.
Yes!
Some assistance.
I'm out of shit to drink.
That reminds me of
Shake the assistance.
that episode of American Father. I call it that. I don't give a fuck. Anyways, when Stan and Bullock, Bullock calls Stan to go to Japan, right? And he tells him the mission. And Stan's like, oh, they're dressed up as geishas. And Bullock tells him the mission. And then Stan's like, wait.
Not a good time to
I flew to Japan? No. Bullock says, Stan says, so what was the point of coming to Japan? And Bullock says, I thought we could be secret Asians. And Stan's like, you flew me all the way to Japan for a bad pun? Yes. Yes. I love that. Oh.
Not a good time to run out of ammo.
Now fuck you guys.
I don't like bad puns.
Ratchet,
You know what?
we will not hurt
You know what?
creatures.
What?
If you don't like American Father, then I don't know what's wrong with you. You're probably a brain dead or something.
I don't know what show you're talking about.
American Dad. Holy shit.
Oh, hey, I like that show, American Dad.
I call it American Father.
What show are you talking about?
Oh, you're retarded?
Oh, you're retarded? American Father. What's wrong with it?
Calling it American Father wrong.
Whatever.
Yeah, that's probably the biggest problem with it.
That's the starting problem.
I mean, you guys remember the people who call Family Guy Family Man.
Family
Dude.
Man. Yeah, I remember that show.
PETA. I call him PETA.
Man, shut
Like the
Get out of
bread.
here, Peter.
Like the
Peanut
bread.
butter.
Mook.
Oh, okay, don't say fucking racist things.
Racist things?
Yeah, mook. Don't say
Oh, yeah,
mook.
Joe, don't say that. What's wrong with it?
Mook is racist?
Racist is... What are you talking... That's gonna enrage the mooks more.
It sounds like a retarded cow, though.
Retarded mook
Shoot
cows.
me.
Instead of saying moo, moo. I'm not talking to myself.
You kinda are.
You responded to me.
Huh. Touche.
You mean like Carly? Carly Shay?
No, not at all.
Nobody even knows what I'm talking
That
about.
is not what I'm talking... Yeah, that is definitely not what I'm talking about.
Yes! Yes! Joe, you should shoot instead of just fucking standing in the middle doing
Oh,
nothing.
yeah, I do. I have rockets. Power, power, power! Okay, now I can't do anything.
My giant ball of power.
I just block shots, I guess.
Oh, for us?
For you.
Oh, I don't
No!
know. I need you to shoot them. God damn. I'm not dying. Woo! Did he even shoot, bro? I'm out of ammo.
Clank, look out!
Yeah, I win.
Oh yeah, okay, Clank, look out. Thank you for that.
Oh, what sucks. I kill that thing all by myself.
If you get in my bullet, you're safe.
It's not close enough.
Think forever.
My X-ray has range problems, okay?
Holy shit, we're not gonna fucking make it.
Now it's getting being tedious.
No, boy. Not a good time to run out of ammo.
Nah, we're good. Don't worry.
Shall be avenged.
I wonder if I could jump close to him and shoot my decoy. That's what I want to do.
Are we supposed to swim or some shit? I don't know.
No, we can't. We'll die.
Ratchet.
I'll save your rope. Ah. Shoot him.
Ratchet.
Jesus, keep it along. If we have to fucking do this over again.
Nah, we won't. Don't worry.
Well, I'm out of fucking shield.
Don't worry. I got 2 things left.
I guess I got a gun.
My Zionic Blaster. You cannot handle. Oh shit! This shit's falling apart, dude. It's not good.
We almost won. That'll work.
Ah, shit.
I
Our
wonder if
dreams will come true.
Someone shoot your lightning, thunder.
All my lightning is gone.
thunder.
I think the game's gonna make it look really scary, and then we're gonna win.
I feel like all we gotta do is survive a one.
Yeah. There's no way they're gonna blast everything away. This game is made for children, for crying out loud.
How come it's taking so long?
Because it's stupid.
Because it wants us to run out of it.
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
I think I'm in a bit of trouble.
Get to cover!
Maybe they all die in the end, like Master Chief.
Okay.
Play!
Just because Master Chief should have died at the end of Halo 3 doesn't mean...
He was!
Okay, he didn't.
Microsoft's just like milking it.
Yeah.
He's like, how about we just keep him alive, and if we ever...
Oh my god, you guys.
Fuck.
Why do you fuck this up so bad?
This game is so stupid.
Every time you guys go down, I fucking find you. I get you.
Okay, ready. Bullshit.
Fucking watch me die.
We're
Throw me
back
off the
here
edge.
again?
Yeah, we have fucking passed.
You guys didn't even get shot to death. You got fucking, I don't know. Like, you just fell off.
Nice work!
Well, let me upgrade.
This is a store over here?
Thought so. Oh,
It's mine.
yeah, that's long range.
Let's see what these guys think of
I have no ammo!
Oh, you get
Fire any
ammo
of
over
this
there.
on my tax return.
See the ammo. Oh wow, why didn't we pass that? Maybe we were supposed to move forward. Or maybe. Maybe we're supposed to like launch one of each other.
We gotta kill him.
We will
Gotta out-feature him.
There it is. The collector outpost.
Oh, here it is. Get your
Let's see if
ammo.
we can find a ride to Bill
Josh. Now hurry up.
What if we're just supposed to rock each other? You know?
I think it'll pee so bad. So bad.
Hold it. You pee, you let out all the warmth in Alaska, man.
I have your back, Ratchet.
You're fired.
We're really gonna waste ammo in this game. Okay, now.
Hey, jump in.
Do this.
Wait.
No, there's no, like, landing spot.
You, enemy.
That is the iceberg.
How about we just kill one at a time, How about that? Huh?
What, use teamwork? I don't know, man.
I guess we have to. Shit.
I feel uncomfortable about this.
Shall be avenged.
Boom. See, look at that shit. I fucking dodged it like
can.
a badass.
Next one. Faster.
How come you guys have such little ammo?
Because your face.
Did you never
What are
upgrade?
you getting
yours?
this?
I did, alright.
I swear
Shoot
to God,
this
if you kill
fucking
me.
asshole!
You can make it.
We cannot make it.
Joe, there's no landing spot. We have to kill these guys or else they're gonna keep following us.
Shoot them while they're in the sky.
I'm trying to shoot the guy on the left. Oh, I'm done.
Suck up all that fucking.
Side to sides.
I would just hide behind me.
Let's get the ones on the left first.
I don't know. I got thunder gun.
Use it.
I think you have to aim it at least kind of. Oh, that just fell off. It didn't even.
Come on, die. Damn. How much HP do these things have, man? Alright, dead. Next. Fuck!
Okay, good. Oh, we have to go. Come on, guys. Jump in. Jump in, Clank.
There's nothing to go to. I don't even see a landing platform. There's nothing there, dude.
Come here.
There's fucking
Can
nothing.
you shoot me? I don't care.
Alright.
Here.
All right, Ford. Let's see what you can do.
Damn it. I was almost there.
Damn it, Cork.
You can't throw me at
Go.
Try not to wiggle. It affects my aim.
Almost.
I'm closer now. I'm facing the right direction.
Just kill this thing. It's almost dead. What the fuck?
Sorry.
Why did you shoot me in the fucking arch?
Just fucking wait. I don't know what
I
happened.
put trust in you.
There was some oversight.
Now there's more. Great.
What does it mean when my blaster starts clicking?
I have no ammo.
This one's mine.
See, I don't think we're designed to have enough ammo.
No, I think we're supposed to be moving.
Nope.
Ratchet.
I'm pretty sure.
Well, I'm going for the one on the right.
Offensive tactics.
Shit, I'm glad you got this fucking thing.
Oh! Yeah, but you're not shooting, so we're fucked.
Yeah, this thing has a certain range on it. You
I
can't.
made it.
Seeing a force field is awesome.
I have to be as close as I can. Alright.
I don't think I'm hurting him. Oh.
Yeah, this thing freezes them or something. Or slows them down severely. It doesn't exactly damage them though.
Ford, look out.
Yeah, look out, man.
Got anything?
Oh!
Like, get in here, fucking thing. We're gonna try this out.
Wonton? The fuck, huh?
Ford, look out.
Go!
Slow. Good.
Ammo! It's right here!
Looks like I was right.
Fight them! Fight them to the end! Mr. Zurkov! Mr. Zurkov, no! I love you! Come back,
What the
please.
fuck? That's his name?
Zurkov? Yeah.
That sounds like masturbating for robots. I'm gonna go jerk off.
Why you gotta always take it there, man?
Because
Because what? There's no
Hey,
reason.
jump in!
because that's who I
Jump in.
am, right?
No, hold on. We gotta fight him off.
No, it's not. I
Yeah,
don't
this
think-
guy, this guy loves the word off. What the fuck? Don't throw me against my will, you dick.
No, please. Don't do it.
Dude, you made it. Why'd you come back?
I didn't even make it!
You
Get
big
in.
fucking shit.
You shot me right into the water.
Alright, calm down, alright? There's nothing chasing us. Oh, great. It's suicide.
Wait, why the fuck did you leave, Josh?
Everybody needs to chill the fuck out.
Chill out.
This game's not that intense, alright?
Fucking, you're making it
You're not Ratchet.
dumb.
I mastered this device to
Damn it! The dice! My guy's too big.
Don't worry, I'll fight him off. No, Mr. Zarkov, no! No, it's
Oh, it
just
works
me.
better when you jump. Go, jump.
Good job. Whoa! Whoa!
We made it.
Checkpoint! Now we can jump this, right? There we go.
Checkpoint. What?
Why did you do that?
Oh,
No,
shit.
it teleported me.
It did not. I mean, okay, it teleported
Well, we
you,
checkpointed.
but you
Everybody
walked.
chill.
You went into
chill.
the water.
Chill.
You
Chill.
walked into it.
Chill. We're right here.
God damn it.
I'd say chill because this is an ice level.
Say it there again.
It was supposed to do this. Okay, let's kill this guy like we did the first time.
This shit's fire.
After I get all this loot. Alright, let's go.
Whoa! Whoa there.
Well done, Nella.
Little Sheila.
Oh,
I was distracted. I was looking at the computer because I was monitoring.
What are you doing? Ah. I wonder if I could do this.
How about you just shoot? How about that?
No enough bucks and you
How about you shoot, then?
Whoa. Whoa there.
Oh, I guess I can't. I can't block that.
I guess me and Josh did it.
Now I got all the bolts.
I got all of
You
you.
got some bolts. It's a
Got a
co-op
little bit.
game.
Got all the bolts.
Come on.
Maybe we should stop.
Override generators.
You're fired.
Yeah, it's our friend again.
I don't think he's our friend.
I'm pretty sure he likes us.
I think he's just stalking us.
Man, why you guys gotta take it there?
What?
Ah, what the hell?
What the fuck? I'm
can't
being
tell me-
realistic.
Why can't something be our friend for once, Danny?
Because the only friendship this game is promoting is the friendship of co-op.
Alright, we're losing a lot of ice here.
And I hate all of you.
Alright, we're losing like a ton of fucking ice here.
Is that a thing?
I don't know what the fuck's going on.
I think it's something we should be concerned about.
I have no idea what's going on right now.
You gotta admit, we're losing a lot of fucking ice here.
We're
Very
gonna
quickly.
live, right? It's a casual game, so chill. Cool your tits.
They're up in the air.
See, we're good. We got new ass keep coming on. Yeah. I'll break it
There's
myself.
two of those monkey guys.
They're our friends. Okay?
There's four.
They're
Ah,
friends.
fuck. Grungos!
Think these Grungos are hungry.
There's your fucking friend.
Yeah,
How you
dude.
like that?
They like lights. Let's give them a show.
You like what?
Lights. They like lights. What are you, deaf? Give them a show.
Yes, dude, I have my earphones on.
Give them something to be proud of.
Oh, man, I'm on. Ah. Take that axe. Fuck that. I broke it. Let's go.
We killed it. We
Another
killed a
one.
life form.
I think there's like 4 of them.
No, we let him reincarnate.
We killed them. That's the Eat for Everybody game.
What?
We killed
No.
them.
He's our friend, Joe.
There's no blood in this
Jesus.
game.
We killed them though.
Don't say that. He loves us. Look, he wants
I feel
hugs.
bad for him.
He wants hugs, Joe.
Stop barking.
We're killing him.
I'm shocking him because he's barking so loud.
I'm trying to freeze him for preservation.
So we can kick him later.
He is somebody's pet and I feel bad.
What the fuck's going on?
Everything's slow motion.
Yeah. Why?
That one's red.
He's a really special friend.
I'm literally been standing in one place just shooting.
I've been shocking him. I'm kind of making it easy for everyone.
Well, how about you don't shock him?
I know. Okay, killed me.
Maybe you shouldn't have been shocking him.
Oh, he did.
Dude.
And he's attacking the decoy. Look, he's a fucking idiot.
Rookies! Come in, rookies! If you can hear this transmission, we're sending down an apogee pod.
The what? Don't know. Well,
Where's the fucking checkpoint?
Checkpoint.
Okay.
right there.